With their perfect curve, bold flavors, and iconic tube packaging, Pringles are one of the most recognizable snacks in the world. But behind the stack lies a high-tech, global operation, producing millions of crisps every day. Today on Factory BTs, we'll take you inside the Pringles production lines in both American and Asian factories to uncover how this one-of-a-kind snack is made. Unlike traditional potato chips that are sliced from whole potatoes, Pringles are engineered snacks made from a potato-based dough. It all begins with a mix of dehydrated potato flakes, cornstarch, rice flour, wheat starch, and emulsifiers. The ingredients are fed into large industrial mixers where they're combined with water to form a smooth, pliable dough. This mixture is the base of every single Pringles crisp, designed for consistency, durability, and taste. Once the dough is ready, it's rolled out into a thin, flat sheet using massive steel rollers. These sheets are then fed into a rotary cutter, a machine with thousands of oval-shaped molds that punch out the familiar shape of a Pringle. The leftover dough scraps, collected, reprocessed, and reused, ensuring zero waste. Now comes the signature Pringles curve, also known as the hyperbolic paraboloid. Each oval dough piece is placed on a moving metal tray shaped like a saddle, which holds the crisps in place as they move into the fryer. Unlike regular chips that float in oil, Pringles are fried while held in shape, maintaining that precise curve. They recooked in vegetable oil at a controlled temperature for just under 11 seconds, enough to crisp them perfectly without over-browning. After frying, the crisps are carried through a cooling tunnel, where air is blown over them to bring their temperature down rapidly, locking in texture while preserving structural strength. Then comes seasoning. In American factories, flavors like sour cream and onion, BBQ, cheddar cheese, and original salted dominate. In Asian factories, the variety expands to hot and spicy, seaweed wasabi, and even curry. The crisps move through flavor drums, where rotating tumblers coat each piece with powdered seasoning. The entire system is automated, with sensors ensuring even coating and minimal waste. Next is the stacking system, one of the most fascinating parts of the process. The crisps are automatically arranged into perfectly uniform stacks using gentle conveyor arms and vibrating belts. These stacks are then inserted into the iconic cardboard tubes lined with foil for freshness. A plastic lid and inner freshness seal are placed on each tube. Labels are wrapped around the outside, and every can is coded, inspected, and passed through a metal detector before packaging. Robotic arms then sort the cans into boxes, which are palletized, shrink-wrapped, and prepared for shipment. These boxes will soon travel to supermarkets, vending machines, and homes all around the world. In the USA, Pringles are primarily produced in Jackson, Tennessee, while in Asia, factories in Malaysia, China, and South Korea handle production for regional markets, all following the same strict standards of hygiene, precision, and quality. No matter where it's made, every can of Pringles follows the same science of structure, flavor, and automation. So the next time you hear the pop of a Pringles lid, remember, it's not just a snack, it's a marvel of food engineering. This is Factory BTs, where the world's most iconic foods reveal their secrets.